Inothando lwakho mazinyotshela abantu. Inothando lwakho mazinyotshela abantu. Inothando lwakho mazinyotshela abantu. Inothando lwakho mazinyotshela abantu. Dear my love, thank you for always being so thoughtful and loving. I'm so grateful to be married to a wonderful woman like you. I love you, madam. Madam wami, inothando lwakho mazinyotshela abantu. Masipanda wami, inothando lwakho mazinyotshela abantu. The day I married you, I could not have even imagined how amazing our marriage would be. You are my soulmate and my best friend. I love you forever and always. The most wonderful thing I decided to do was to share my life and my heart with you. As the years roll by, I learned that we don't have to chase the extraordinary moments to find happiness in our marriage, because it is right here in our everyday, and I'm so grateful for that. I love you, madam. When I think of all the happy times that I have shared with you, all the memories we have made together, every dream we have wishes that we have seen come true, all the special moments that are ours and ours alone, I know that our together years are the best ones I have ever known. I love you, madam. As we grow older, as we continue to age, there is one thing that will never change. You make me fall in love with you, masibanda wami. Lani bangani bami, inothando lwakhe yazilongolela. Nani zihlobo zami lonke, inothando lwakhe yazilongolela. Nani bafowethu, inothando lwakhe yazilongolela. Nani bangani bami, inothando lwakhe yazilongolela. Lonke bangani bami, inothando lwakhe yazilongolela. My main goal every day is to make you happy. No matter what trials I face, no matter how old I get, your happiness is the key to me in everything. I love you. I know people can talk. Please try to let them talk, and let them talk, and let them talk again. I love you, my love.